So what kind of art are we looking at in the skies today?
Well, you're going to have a little decor. How's that? A few clouds will be out there with us, but the big takeaway is this heat. I mean, temperatures this morning, another step up from yesterday. And we're just going to continue to soar as we do go throughout the entire afternoon. So get ready to get hot as temperatures are going to head into the 80s. You're also going to have quite a bit of wind on the way too. Winds will be coming in out of our south, gusting like yesterday around 20 to even 30 miles per hour. So here's the breakdown for you. Breezy and warm today. Tomorrow, very scattered in nature, but we will have a few showers as well as thunderstorms. This is not looking to be anything severe, nor for everyone. Keep that word isolated in your mind, because it is just going to be taking that damp paintbrush and giving it 2 flicks across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky, and that's what we're looking to have. Now, as we make our way into the weekend, specifically Good Friday going into parts of Saturday, then you get a lull, and then it's Saturday into Sunday where we are going to be warm, but we're going to have some rain chances as well as some thunderstorms. Right now, our severe threat is low, just not completely no. So that'll be something we'll continue to monitor. Now, as far as the models are concerned, they've sped things up. So we are looking to get most of that moisture out of here by around lunchtime on Sunday. So it's not going to be an all-day washout. Now, could that slow down? Yes, but not looking so likely. Here's a live look for you outside. 65 degrees. The average high is 66. We are 1 degree shy of that here in Music City. And you can say thank you to that southerly flow. Winds are out of our south right at 9 miles per hour, which definitely isn't aggressive by any stretch of the imagination, but it's enough to keep stirring up the atmosphere and not letting that radiational cooling settle in and drop those numbers. I mean, even the plateaus participating with this one. Currently over into Cookeville, y'all are coming in at 64. The Power 5 radars completely dry. And like yesterday, I look for us to be on the dry side yet again. And we'll see some sunshine. I know times yesterday you're like, okay, where is it? But then boom, there it went. And same thing today. More sunny skies will be with us. And what does that do? It fuels our atmosphere with that energy to warm temperatures up that are already almost hot out there. 66 is where we are in McMinnville, 62 as you make your way into Crossville, Columbia 66, near 70. Clarksville and going into Hopkinsville. Our dew points are also up too. This is some saving grace. It may not feel as nice, but when it comes to higher moisture content in the air, our issues when it comes to fire danger are limited. They're not extinct, but it's not going to be as prevalent, which is some really nice news, especially with these winds just not giving up. Right now, we're around 5 to 15 miles per hour out of our south. The gust for us at times this morning, already seeing a few spots near 20, but that's really going to be emphasized as we do go throughout the afternoon, where I do look for our wind gusts to approach even near that 30 mile per hour range, especially as we make our way throughout the afternoon. So a lot of sunshine today, just a few thin clouds will be out there. We'll notice some clouds trying to move in as we head into early tomorrow morning. And I do look to have a few scattered showers popping up. This is not going to be anything widespread. If you encounter a shower, consider yourself blessed, because remember, we've got major drought issues still with us. That quickly dissolves out. Thursday morning is dry and clear. It's going to be later on Thursday into the afternoon where we'll notice some more rain chances trying to approach. But like Wednesday, it's not going to be organized. Better rain chances will start to move in, though, as we make our way Saturday afternoon going into parts of early Sunday. But notice how that quickly does start to move its way out. As far as amounts, we're looking around a ½ an inch, some of you closer to that inch mark. This is not going to fix the drought, but obviously it will be helpful, which is some great news. Your 7-day forecast, highs today will top out 84 degrees. Tomorrow, 83 scattered showers and storms. Do it again on Thursday. 84 for you on Friday. Good Friday, that is. 80 Saturday. Then once we pull all that out on Resurrection Sunday, temperatures will drop into the afternoon to the mid-60s before we cool down Monday morning with an average and sunny day ahead.